hello to you, farmer.
Hello. I lost my pig. Can you help me call him?
Sure I can. They don't call me the animal caller for nothing. You said a pig, right?
A pig.
Okay, Piggy. See you in a minute.
Piggy! Thanks, animal caller.
Just doing my job, ma'am.
Come on, Piggy.
Hello, farmer number 2.
Hello.
Is there an animal I can call for you?
As a matter of fact, there is. I'm trying to find my horse. Can you call him for me?
A horse? Of course. That rhymes. It's ringing.
I've been looking all over for you. Thanks, Animal Caller.
My pleasure.
And thank you for helping me call my horse.
Excuse me, what time is it?
It's time for lunch.
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 It's lunchtime.
Hey, what's for lunch?
Hey, Farmer Una, what did you get for lunch? A cheese sandwich with carrots and a glass of milk. Yum. What about you, Farmer Goby?
A hard-boiled egg and an apple.
What about you, Farmer Nani?
Cheese and tractors?
Cheese and tractors?